to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a big lollipop just like this. And the materials we are going to be using are from Dollar Tree store. And here are the materials: 2 pool noodles, clear wrap, red duct tape, a ribbon, and a long stick. It's not just a stick, it's a broom. We're not going to sweep the floor. We are going to use the stick only. So all you need to do is twist it off. Voila!
There you go. Now you have
the
stick for the lollipop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what else do you need?
A glue gun, scissors, and tape. Oh, and again, all these materials are from Dollar Tree store, except the glue gun.
Let's get started.
Mm-hmm. So this is how it looks when you glue 2 pool noodles together and wrap it with red tape. And let's go to the next step. So this is how it looks when it's all rolled up using a hot glue stick. And then next, we're gonna attach this stick to the lollipop. So this is how it looks with the stick attached to the lollipop. And the next step is to wrap it with clear wrap and tie a bow. So this is how it looks when it's all done. We got the bow, we got the clear wrap, we got the lollipop, and the stick. Oh, if you're wondering how it looks in the color green pool noodle, here it is. Here it is, green pool noodle. In the red pool noodle, here it is. Okay guys, I'm done for today. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!